The BMW R9T Racer, the type of motorcycle for someone who loves a classic cafe racer and hates their lower back. Let's talk about it. The most beautiful motorcycle ever made? Well, if you told us, we'd probably agree with you. I mean, just look at this thing. The fairing, timeless. The colors, the long tank, even this boxer motor that just sticks way out. It's iconic, it's raw, it's classic. This thing oozes cafe racer sex appeal. Now, if this bike had a professional career, it'd probably be a supermodel. But, like dating any supermodel, it's gonna come with some sacrifices. In this case, mainly the wrists, lower back, and your wallet. Now, I will admit, this is a fairly reliable motorcycle. This 1170cc air-cooled boxer motor, the shaft drive. There's not even any electronics on this bike to fail. I mean, it's pretty raw. So, fairly reliable motorcycle, but look at this here. Don't forget, it's still a BMW, so don't be surprised when you go in for an oil change and you walk out $400 poorer. Now, the main party piece of this motorcycle is the boxer motor. It's got a lot of character. This is the type of motor that you give it a rev, it's gonna pull you to the side. See what I mean? A little interesting for downshifts and rev matching, but makes for a lot of fun. As you can see, the seating position on this motorcycle is very aggressive, and I think that might even be putting it lightly. BMW definitely stretches you out on this motorcycle. Big long tank, a seat with very minimal cushioning, and even no quick shifter. It's all you. Now, sitting in traffic, not the greatest thing in the world, but you get this thing on a canyon road, you get it up to speed. The balance, the low center of gravity, it is the perfect canyon cruising motorcycle. Now, I know I've been talking a bit of shit on this motorcycle, and frankly, it might deserve it, but all the negative things I've said go right out the window as soon as you look at this thing. As soon as you get on and open it up, doesn't matter, it's pure bliss. Incredible machine, frankly. It's one of my favorite motorcycles ever created, and that's why it's probably gonna stay in the garage forever. Let us know, would you own an R9T Racer? Thanks for watching.